Hey everybody, welcome into Mud's Closet. I have an unboxing today. I stopped at Michael's to see what they had going on after Christmas, and they had these boxes for $5. And you know how you can always peek in that little handle. All of them were flowers. None of them appeared to be Christmas flowers yet. They did have all their all their Christmas things were 60% off, and they had a bunch of beads on sale too. So I don't know if that's of interest, but that's what seemed to be going on at mine. I'm going to try to get this open, and I'm actually really curious because I did one of these floral unboxings in the fall. And it was $10. So, sorry. So I'm just curious if this is going to be the same for $5 or if they'll be less or more. And I also noticed at my Michael's, the Michael's by me, that they tend to put the same thing in the boxes. So like last time was 30 tulip stems, whereas others will sometimes kind of shake them up, which is actually really quite nice. So we'll see what's going on here in this box. Also, I want to say I'm getting close. I'm so excited to 2,000 subscribers. And I think when I hit 2,000, I'm going to do a giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. All right. Again, it looks like a whole box of the same thing, but those are pretty nice. Spring white hydrangea, $14.99, $22.99 in Canada. Those are pretty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope everybody had good holidays. 6, 7. So there's 10, and it does appear to be all the same. Oh, 14, it's not. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Well, and this one appears to have more than the last one. These are smaller, regular $3.99. Ashland Summer. It does not say what it is, but you know what? Those are pretty. And as I said in the other one, generally we use these, we take them to the cemetery. And so it'll be nice to have lots of different colors when we take them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My table is getting full. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I don't know if I counted that one that went 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. There's actually, I think, a greater value in this box than the other one, because if there's 28 at that $4 regularly, and I know they always have them on sale, but if we just do that value, 28 times 4 is 112, I think, if I'm doing quick math. And there were $15 bouquets, so that's $300, so that's $400 and some odd dollars. And then there's a ton of these in here as well, and these I think are the $4 ones regularly. Oh no, these are cheap, $1.99. But actually these are really cute. Actually these are really very pretty. I like that blush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, there are a lot in here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. My goodness. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I know I'm impressing you all with my counting skills. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So that's $106. And there's 3 more of these. Oh, there's a blue one. That's pretty. So my quick math is 412 plus 100 is 512, and 6 is 518, plus 12 more dollars is $530 retail value at full price, and the other one that I got I think was $450 at retail. So anyway, for $5, I think this is probably a good value if you have a use for artificial flowers. I think these also would be very pretty removed from the plastic and used in different journaling or other craft projects. You also can make smaller stems or bunch them together for larger stems. But this is a nice, honestly, for $5, I'm happy. And I'm delighted that there's more than one style of things in here. If you made it this far, thanks so much for watching. Come back soon. I'm going to be showing a few different projects. And happy New Year. Please leave me a comment on what you would do with all these flowers. Have a great rest of the day.